Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this 60-second bun hairstyle on long hair. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail using an elastic band. Next, twist that ponytail in one direction, making it nice and tight. And holding on to the middle, I'm going to take the very ends and put them on top of the elastic band. Then just flip that little circle over towards the head. And then take your hand on the right hand side, holding on to the left, give that right hand a half turn so it makes a figure of 8 shape. Then secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. The bun will hold better if you leave your bobby pins closed. Then just fix everything in place with some Stronghold hairspray, and it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.